Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Peugeot 3-button remote key fob. First, what we need to do is remove the blade out the back of the key fob by sliding this lock mechanism here. Now we need to take our flat-headed screwdriver and place it in the indentation gap there and pop the case open like so. Notice that the key fob battery is facing up at you with the writing towards you, suggesting that it is in its correct location. This key fob takes a key fob battery with a part number of CR2032 like this one. We now need to take our small flat-headed screwdriver and remove the key fob battery from its housing. We take our new key fob battery and pop it in its replacement like so. We take the cover, make sure everything is lined up, and we pop it back in its place. Pop the blade back in, and we're all ready to go.